Hello everyone, myself Dr. Aditya Maheshwari. I am a consultant dermatologist at Aditya Clinic, Jalgaon. And today we are going to discuss some basic points regarding the fungal infection or the tinea infection or ringworm infection as we call in English. In Hindi we call it as Daad, and in local language in Marathi we call it as Naita, Anjuri or Gazkaran. Now this fungal infection is almost like a epidemic in our country, and I am here to educate you or share my knowledge regarding the precautions to be taken during the pandemic coronavirus which we are all facing today. To start with, we need to be careful regarding our hygiene. First of all, we need to avoid too much excessive workouts during these times when we are in home during the lockdown. Secondly, we need to bath regularly, keep good hygiene, use proper powders and some things which will take care of the sweat during this month of May. Also, we need to be careful if we have certain symptoms of the disease, like if there is a simple pimple like growth which is itchy and which will turn to like a ring which will grow in size, and it can mostly occur all over the body but specifically in the areas where we sweat a lot, like the body folds, the groin area, the axilla, with the armpits which we call. And whenever the symptoms come, signs come, you need to show to a well qualified dermatologist and get yourself treated. The only way is to get yourself treated from a qualified dermatologist. Another important thing is not to use the over the counter creams and tablets and get treated yourself, because in this process you tend to make the disease worse than making it better. And thirdly, if any of the family members has the disease, should be openly communicating with the family and showing to a doctor as I mentioned, and get it treated in proper time, and it is treatable for sure if we show in the time, in a proper time of the disease and the stage of the disease. So take care everyone, and that's all for today in this knowledge session.
To book an appointment with a cosmetologist or a dermatologist in your area, please visit www.skinandhairacademy.in.